Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check using your IMEI number if your HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro is compatible with eSIM. So to do this, first find your IMEI, which can be found in the About Phone section in your settings. It should be in the bottom of your settings on your HUAWEI. And when you're done, find the IMEI.info website when you're on your browser and type in or paste your IMEI. Here you can find basic information about your phone. As you can see, we have the basic checks, and let's press the eSIM compatibility check. As you can see, the phone does not support eSIM, and I think we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.